It is by now a well-worn script. This, the 8th military coup in Western and Central Africa over the last 3 years. Gabonese military officers announcing their takeover on state television.
Toutes les institutions de la République.
Institutions were dissolved, they said, borders closed, and President Ali Bongo under house arrest, from where he issued a plea to his friends for help.
I don't know what's going on. So I'm calling you to make noise, really. I'm thanking you.
Many people did make noise out on the streets, but in celebration. Thanks to the army, said this man. We're liberated, shouted another. Bongo's reign is over. Part of a family dynasty in power for over 50 years, Bongo was just declared the winner of elections analysts say many people suspect were rigged.
And they welcomed the coup. That's, if the election had been credible, perhaps that reaction would have been different.
Gabon is rich in oil and minerals, but that wealth hasn't trickled down to the hands of ordinary people. Gabon's former colonizer, France, has condemned the coup. France reaffirms its wish for the election results once known to be respected, says this government spokesman. Anti-French sentiment has grown, not just in Gabon, but in other former French colonies where military juntas now rule. One of the coup leaders, Gabon's head of the Presidential Guard, General Nguema, is expected to play a key role in the coming days, feted here by soldiers calling him president. Margaret Evans, CBC News, London.